Hi, my name is Chris McBain, and I'm the Technical Marketing Manager for GibbsCam. I wanted to talk today about GibbsCam 12, specifically the new interface in GibbsCam 12. It really introduces a brand new approach for GibbsCam when it comes to usability.
So one of our objectives when we started developing this user interface update was to retain GibbsCam's traditional UI strengths. And I think that's expressed very well in the motto that we've used for many years of powerfully simple and simply powerful. We've built an interface that remains simple to learn and simple to use, whether you're a novice user or an expert user returning to GibbsCam, while exposing all of the power that's present in GibbsCam.
The transition from existing customers has been very easy. The icons are more identifiable. The workflow has remained consistent. The time it takes to program and machine a part has been reduced by at least 20 to 30%. Knowledgeable power users have really gained an advantage by the fact that they can customize the toolbars and to have the functions that they normally use readily available.
Well, this interface redesign is really designed to benefit the entire GibbsCam user base. Whether you're an experienced user who's been using GibbsCam for 20 years, in that case you'll find that the concepts are the same and the way we explain things is the same and the reasons that we've done things are the same, but it looks better and it's new and there are things that you don't need to do anymore because the system will take care of them for you. And it also benefits new users, people who might be learning the product for the very first time. And as they explore the interface, it will be more obvious what things are going to do and more predictable.
The customization aspect is tremendous. You can build your own palettes, customize the functions that you use consistently to a location on the screen. Palettes are dockable. You can remove the options from the title bar and place them in a convenient location on the drawing screen. The learning curve, I think, has been reduced with the obvious location of all the necessary icons and tools for programming. You can be up and running the same day that you install. I have run into situations where customers have installed in the morning and produced a part by the end of their work shift.
So the GibbsCam 12 user interface project has really been a labor of love for us, and we're excited to bring it to you, and we're excited for you to get into it and explore it and build fantastic things with it.
Powerfully simple and simply powerful has been our motto for a long time. And you can see from this release that it truly is for machinists by machinists.